Welcome to another presentation of LH Home Designers TV. This time, aton pag-istoryahan ang pag-drawing sa schematic diagram of the plan, specifically the floor plan. Okay, this is an example, pero hindi amo ni kasiri ang linya mga gamiton. This is darkened for clarity purposes only. This is our step 1. Madrawing ka lang sang imong horizontal and vertical axis. To take a look at this process, this is how you're going to use the T-square together with your pencil and with your triangles, especially for drawing the vertical axis. This time we are using the 30 by 60 by 90 degrees triangle. This is the example. As shown, it must be fine light lines, and this is the darkened version. Step number 2, you're going to complete the box for your plan. And this is how you're going to do it. Using the same tools, your triangle, you're going to lay out, in this case, 11.5 ang depth o kung ang isa ka dimensions ang aton nga floor plan. And then the other part is 9. So, halin sa intersection sang imong vertical and horizontal axis, dira ikaw mark out sang distance. So this is how you're going to draw your vertical line. The triangle will be assisted by your T-square. And take note of the position of the T-square and the triangle. For horizontal lines, you're going to use only your T-square. Okay, so this is the output, and this is the darkened version. Number 3, we're going to complete the schematic diagram with all the horizontal lines. In this case, you're going to mark out all the dimensions which corresponds to the side of the plan, or the divisions or partitions of the plan sideways. This is from the distance from front to back. The first is 3, and the first is 4, and the second is 3, and the remaining part is 4.5, which is at the middle. So this is now the mark out for the 3 meters. Or in this drawing, since we are using scale 1:100, it is only 3 centimeters. This is another one for one of the parts. So take note, amo ni paggamit mo sa mga tools, basically, para nga mas magamit mo nga madasig ang pag-drawing. So bear in mind with the note, ng aton nga construction lines, indefinite lines, meaning kung tanawon mula nagatururupong ang puno kag ang punta. Okay, for the last step, you're going to draw the vertical lines to complete the schematic diagram of the plan. Okay, previously, in step number 3, we did the horizontal lines. Okay, this time, tanan naman yung mga vertical lines. So, diri ka naman sa front part sang imong balay ma-mark out sa mga distance. So the first thing yung gin-mark out naton is 4. Okay, pag mark ka, drawingan mo sa linya just like this. And another mark out or marking kang imong in this case pwede ka kagamit sang triangle sa pag-mark out kay may graduation man kita sa triangle. So here we have 3.5. Pwede ka man makagamit sang ruler to mark out distances. For this purpose, actually the preferred tool to be used to mark out distances shall be your ruler. Okay, the next is 2. This is how you're going to complete the drafting of your vertical lines and also to complete all the schematic diagram of the plan.